Ella Anderson is an American actress who portrays Piper Hart in Henry Danger and is also known for her role as young Jeanette Walls in The Glass Castle. In 2014, she played Mitzy in Nickelodeon's A Very Odd Summer. Anderson has portrayed Piper Hart in the Nickelodeon television series Henry Danger from 2014 to 2020 and appeared in the film Unfinished Business. She has played Rachel Rawlings in The Boss and Vicky in Mother's Day, both films from 2016, and Jeanette Walls at age 11 opposite Brie Larson in the 2017 film The Glass Castle. She has also appeared in one episode of Raising Hope as a little girl who gets a needle stuck in her hand. She made further appearances on Disney shows in 2013, being in Dog with the Vlog as Darcy Stewart and Liv and Maddie as Jenny Keane. She began her career as a child actress, starring in roles such as Piper Hart on the Nickelodeon television series Henry Danger, and is also known for playing the role of Rachel Rawlings in the 2016 comedy adventure film The Boss. In the meantime, she co-starred with Vince Vaughn in the movie Unfinished Business, and in 2016 was seen in The Boss co-starring with Melissa McCarthy and Kristen Ball, and in the Gary Marshall movie Mother's Day, which had several list stars such as Jennifer Aniston, Julia Roberts and Kate Hudson. Her next movie, The Glass Castle, starring Brie Larson, Naomi Watts and others, is now in the post-production stage and is slated to be released in 2017. Ella has shown remarkable talent as an actress and brings to the table an amazing maturity as a professional much beyond her age. That she has remained grounded despite her growing fame and celebrity status is also serving her well. She has played a variety of roles with great competence. In May 2016, Ella launched her own beauty care company selling a wide range of skin care products under the brand name Aiko by Ella Anderson. Her close friend and co-star Real Dawns has been promoting the brand through social media channels. Ella is a fun-loving girl and a prankster during shoots. Once she fooled her co-star Shane Johnson with a foam donut, and the much older star, much to the delight of Ella, exploded with expletives after biting into the fake. She keeps her room spotlessly clean by storing her toys in the basement. She's got two blue and blondish sets of gorgeous eyes and hair. It looks so beautiful and